Question number 11. If the sum of the first n terms of an AP is 4n minus n square, if the sum of the first n terms of an AP is 4n minus n square, what is the first term, that is S1? What is the sum of first two terms? What is the sum of first two terms? What is the second term? Similarly, find third term, find the third, the 10th and the nth terms. nth terms. ಒಂದು ಸಮಾಂತರ ಶ್ರೇಣಿಯ ಮೊದಲ n ಪದಗಳವರೆಗಿನ ಮೊತ್ತ 4n ಮೈನಸ್ n ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆದರೆ ಮೊದಲ ಪದ S1. ಮೊದಲ ಎರಡು ಪದಗಳ ಮೊತ್ತವೇನು? ಮೊದಲ ಎರಡು ಪದಗಳ ಮೊತ್ತವೇನು? ಎರಡನೆಯ ಪದ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಮೂರನೆಯ ಪದ, 10ನೇ ಪದ ಮತ್ತು nನೇ ಪದಗಳನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಿರಿ. Given sum of the first n terms of an AP is 4n minus n square. That means Sn is equal to 4n minus n square. 4n minus n square. So what is the first term? That means we have to take n is equal to 1 here. S1 is equal to 4 into 1 minus 1 square minus 1 square. So this implies S1 is equal to 4 into 1, that is 4, minus 1 square is 1. So this is equal to 4 minus 1 is 3. This implies S1 is equal to 3. S1 is equal to 3. Or we can take here A1 also. A1, S1 is nothing but first term. A1 is equal to 3. A1 is equal to 3. Or S1 is equal to S1 is equal to 3. S1 is equal to 3. So what is the sum of first two terms? Second point is what is the sum of first two terms? That means we can take here n is equal to 2. So S2 is equal to 4 into 2 minus 2 square minus 2 square. So this implies S2 is equal to 4 2s are 8 minus 2 square is 4. So 8 minus 4, that is equal to 4. This implies S2 is equal to 4. S2 is equal to 4. That S2 is nothing but sum of first two terms. Sum of first two terms. Okay. Now to find here second term. To find the second term. To find second term, A2 is equal to S2 minus S1. S2 minus S1. So here what is S2? 4 minus S1, that is 3. Now 4 minus 3, that is equal to 1. So here we got second term, that is A2 is equal to 1. Next point, to find the third term. To find the third term, here we should take a n is equal to 3. So here it become S3 is equal to 4 into 3 minus 3 square. So this implies S3 is equal to 4 3s are 12 minus 3 square is 9. 12 minus 9, here remaining, that is 3. That means S3 is equal to 3. To find the third term, A3 is equal to sum of first three terms minus sum of first two terms that means s3 minus s2, you will get a third term. So s3 we got 3 here minus s2 is a 4. So this is equal to minus 1. Therefore third term, that is a3, is equal to minus 1. a3 is equal to minus 1. So now here sum of the first two terms, that is a 4. So here first two terms, a1 is 3, a2 is 1. Okay. So sum of the first two terms, therefore sum of the first two terms, sum of the first two terms, a1 plus a2 is equal to 3 plus 1, that is equal to 4. Okay. Now here a is equal to 3, that is first term. Now difference how to find here? Second term minus first term. So d is equal to a2 minus a1. a2 is 1 minus a1 is 3, that is equal to minus 2. That is equal to minus 2. Then 10th term how to find here? a10 is equal to a plus 9d. So this implies what is a1, that is 3 plus 9 into d value is minus 2. Now this implies 3 minus 9 2s are 18, plus into minus it become minus, 9 2s are 18. So 3 minus 18, that is equal to minus 15. That is equal to minus 15. Therefore a10 is equal to minus 15. a10 is equal to minus 15. a10 is equal to minus 15. So now Sn minus 1, so here in the equation 4n minus n square is given, so n place you should take a Sn minus 1. This is equal to 4 into n minus 1 minus n minus 1 whole square according to the given equation. So multiply here 4 into n, that is 4n, minus 4 1s are 4, then minus, here you should use a minus b whole square formula, a square minus 2ab plus b square. So here according to this it become n square first, n square minus 2ab, 2 into n into 1, that is 2n square, 1 square is, that is equal to 1. Okay. Then next point, 4n minus 4 minus, now n square, minus into minus plus 2n minus into plus, it become minus 1. Okay. Now 4n here plus 2n, that is equal to 6n minus n square minus 4 minus 1, that is equal to minus 5. That means here Sn minus 1 we got a 6n minus n square minus 5. Okay. Then an is equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1. Use this formula. Then Sn, what is given there? 4n minus n square minus Sn minus 1, that is we got 6n minus n square minus 5. This is equal to 4n minus n square minus 6n minus into minus plus n square minus into minus plus 5. Now minus n square plus n square get cancelled. 4n minus 6n, that is minus 2n, here plus 5, that means an is equal to 5 plus 5 minus 2n. an is equal to 5 minus 2n. Okay.